My name's David Jones. I've been asked to take part in a drug trial from the University of Birmingham. It's to try out a new drug to see if it helps with the symptoms of polycythemia vera. The standard drugs that we were given have quite a few side effects, and it's to see if the new drug helps in the symptoms of those side effects. I went to see my consultant because I was having a few problems with the old drugs that I was on, and he suggested it might be worth me taking part in this drug trial with a new drug which they hope could alleviate a lot of the symptoms that you get with the standard drugs that were on the market at the time. I came in for a scan and I met a young girl in her mid-20s. She has the same illness as I have. I've never met anybody with the same illness. And I thought, well, if I can take part in this drug trial and the drug is successful, then it's going to improve her quality of life long after I've gone. So to me, it's a small part I can do to help others in the future. I was given a booklet to read, to take home with me to study. It goes through the ins and outs of all the symptoms, the procedures of taking the new medication, because they're trying to find out if it can alleviate some of the problems with the old medication and try and even things out, because the old medication, you're up and down all the time. So you're constantly coming in to see the doctors, to see the hospital staff. But with the new medication, you're only coming in once every 3 months. So it's trying to keep everything on an even keel. When I started on the course, initially I came to see the doctors and the nurse once a week until we got the medication level. Because they started off on 1 tablet and it wasn't quite working. So they increased it to 2 and then to 3. Once we get to 3 tablets and everything stabilizes, I only need to come in to see the doctor once every 3 months. But I've always got the contact number for Jessie, who is the practice nurse. So if I have any problems, I can ring Jessie and she can go through it over the phone, because she mainly runs the course. When I come in to see Jessie, it's usually once every 3 months at the moment, and she has quite a calming effect when you come in. You come in, she's bubbly, she's always smiling. If there's any issues I've got with the medication or the treatment, I can ask Jessie first, and then she can go through it with the consultant later. I would recommend that people take part in research. If we don't take part in these trials, then the new wonder drugs will never be there. And for my grandchildren, I would want them to have better medication than I had. And if you don't try them, nothing's ever going to change.